Hi, it's Amanda here extending a hearty welcome to you all to this transmission of Daiji Global Panvision. First, the news headline from Dubai. Omzur parishioners hold get-together at Karama Hotel. News headlines from Mangalore. Railway shows to start Mangalore train from December 8th. BJP intensifies agitation, stages rail roko. Fatima Retreat House launches Konkani spiritual program on private channels. St. Teresa's High School celebrates annual day. Kudla Kalavali 2-day art meet begins at Kadri Park. And in an entertainment program, watch out for the 13th episode of Konkani play To Makanaka. News in detail. Omzurians earning their livelihood in Dubai held a get-together at Karama Hotel on Friday, November 23rd. Cultural programs, felicitation of the distinguished guests marked the occasion. Omzur parishioners held a get-together at Karama Hotel, Dubai on November 23, 2007. Parish priest Father Freddy and Daiji Dubai member Diane de Souza and Francis Fernandez Casia were the chief guests on the occasion. Lancy and Jerem Saldana were among special invitees. Apart from these three distinguished Omzurians, Arthur Pereira and Joseph were also felicitated. Several entertainment programs like sport games, songs, solo and group dances were the special attraction of the day. Rib-tickling hilarious skits kept the audience glued to their seats to the end. Rhythms, a well-known musical group in Dubai, entertained the crowd. A mouth-savouring lunch was served to all the parishioners who were present for the event. Travelling on a train to Bangalore is a long-cherished dream of Mangaloreans. Railways have announced to start the train service on December 8th, but the BJP continued with its proposed rail roko at the Mangalore railway station on Saturday, November 24th, as its leaders felt that the railways would not keep its word this time too. Tension prevailed at Mangalore railway station on Saturday, November 24th, as nearly 2,000 protesters led by BJP staged rail roko, demanding the commencement of Mangalore-Bangalore train service. However, railway authorities have already announced that the train to Bangalore will start from December 8th. But the BJP decided to continue with its proposed rail roko as they felt the railways have been giving assurance and are not keeping their word. The agitators stopped Mangalore-Puttur Subramanya train which was about to leave the station at 10:30 am. BJP State President D.V. Sadananda Gowda said the railway authorities have been giving assurances since last many years and this time too they are not going to keep their word.
Central government and that of the railway board towards Karnataka with regard to the running of the Hassan-Mangalore railway is really heart-burning. Since last one year, the goods train are running across the Hassan-Mangalore railway track, but passenger train is withheld for reason unknown to we people. In spite of repeated requests with the railway board and that of the railway minister, our purpose has not served. Even on the earlier occasion, to run the train in between Subramania and Mangalore, I had to force to have an agitation along with about 5,000 agitators on the last occasion. This agitation will continue till they give the exact timings, till they give the date of reservation, the commencement of reservation, etc.
All the MLAs and MPs of BJP, including Manorama Madhvaraj, Shakuntala Shetty, MLC Shobha Karandlaje, Krishna Palemar were present. The protesters said they would not allow any train to move from the station. For the first time, such a big protest was held to urge the railways to start Mangalore-Bangalore train. Television is a medium through which the spiritual messages can be conveyed effectively. Fatima Retreat House at Jaipur has started a Konkani spiritual program to be telecasted on TV channels in South Canara and Udupi. Mangalore Bishop Aloysius Paul de Souza launched the program on Friday, November 23rd. Daivik Sakat, a Konkani spiritual TV program, was launched on Friday, November 23rd morning at a function held at Fatima Retreat House. Bishop Aloysius Paul de Souza launched the program.
दैविक सकत देवा बापा तावनो वाळून येवची एक जर जावन आसा. दैविक सकत सगळी सृश्टी सांबाळटा. दैविक सकत सर्व मनशा कुळाक नवसारणेन भरता आनी तांणी देवाची भुरगीं जावन मोगान जिवंक उर्बेन भरता. टीव्ही चॅनला मुखांतर दैविक सकत ह्या विशयांत जायतीं बरीं कार्यक्रमां जातलीं. ह्या वरवीं बावार्थी लोकांक हाचो अनुभव आनी ह्या विशयांत चडीत समजोनी मेळ्ळो. लोकांक दैविक सकताचें थंय आकर्शण बगूंक आनी बरी क्रिस्तांव जिणी जिवंक तांचें जिवीत रुपीत जावं.
The program is presented by Om Entertainment and produced by Fatima Retreat House, Mangalore. The program will be telecasted every week on V4 and Udpi channels from December this year. Father Ronnie Prabhu, Father Ravi Santosh Kamath, Jeremias Braggs, Professor Lena Fernandez and Professor Olga Norona were present. Well, now it's time for me to take a break here. On the other side of the break, we have a report on the annual day celebration of St. Teresa's High School. So stay tuned to us.
Montero Textiles has wide collections of suitings of well-known brands, including Raymond Suitings, Dinesh, Digjam and Gwalior Suiting, Arvind, Oxford, BSL Suitings, jeans, corduroy, imported materials and ladies suit materials are also available with us. Montero Textiles, Sarja Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagres Crossroad, Ampankatta, Mangalore.
Welcome back after the break. St. Teresa's High School celebrated its annual day on Friday, November 23rd at St. Sebastian Platinum Jubilee Hall. The high school students of St. Teresa's School celebrated their annual day on Friday, November 23rd at St. Sebastian Platinum Jubilee Hall. A very interesting and spectacular cultural program was presented by the students in the evening. The celebration started with a welcome song. Annual report of the school was presented. This was followed by students presenting English play Taming of the Shrew, cultural dance Water, Hindi skit Sabse Bada Aadmi. Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry former President Captain John Prasad Menezes was the chief guest.
It is not only impressive, but it leaves a mark, a standing testimony that this institution is indeed a center of excellence for learning.
Vice President of Bethany Education Society, Wilberta, Delegation Superior of the Central Delegation, Sister Lillis, School Correspondent, Sister Juliana, Principal, Sister Rose Margaret, Bethany Education Society Secretary, Sister Joy, and Cedric D'Souza were the guests. Top scorers in the ICS examination were also honored. Undivided Dakshina Kannada district has always been a land rich in culture and heritage. With a long-standing tradition of nurturing art and craft, this region has given birth to artists of international repute. Despite of being the commercial hub of the state, local patronage to art has been scantily due to the low level of mass awareness. For the first time, artist fraternity of this coastal area organized Kudla Kalavali to showcase the artistic heritage and to generate patronage for it. This Saturday, November 24th, Kadri Park wore a festive look as more than 200 artists from all over Udupi, Dakshina Kannada and Kasaragod districts gathered there to take part in the two-day fest, Kudla Kalavali. SS Creations, an artist of undivided Dakshina Kannada district, have jointly organized the Kudla Kalavali Kala Mela on November 24th and 25th at Kadri Park in Mangalore. More than 5,000 artworks of various kinds were exhibited at the park. Stick drawings, portraits, landscapes, collage, murals, caricatures, abstract, advertisement-related paintings, creative artworks, experimental ones, 2D and 3D sculptures, sand art and other handicrafts were among those exhibited in the fest. A major attraction of the event was the exhibition of photographs by Dharmasthala Dharmadhikari Dr. D. Virendra Hegde clicked during his visit to China. Another main attraction of the fest was the live demonstrations on various kinds of paintings by eminent artists, a demonstration on landscape art by P.N. Acharya, and demonstration on portraits by Madhushan Kumar was also held. Demonstration on photography, collage by K.P. Shenoy and mural by Gopatkar will be held at 11 a.m., 12 noon and 3 p.m. respectively on November 25th. The organizers held separate painting competitions for the primary and high school students as part of the fest. 700 children are expected to participate in the competitions. Cultural programs like Bharatnatyam, mimicry and Hindustani sitar vadan was also held in the evening. This Sunday is going to be a great day for the art lovers in Mangalore. It's time for me to say goodbye to you all. Next time when we meet, we will bring you some more news and entertainment programs. So take care. Bye.